Hello there, welcome back to Mechanic London. Long time no here, I suppose you could say. Right, okay, here we are. We have got a KATY outside at the moment in the sunshine running. I'll just go through what we've been doing today. It's had the waterless coolant in it, which has caused a problem. It's already killed the thermostat, and so what we've decided to do is drain it down, get rid of the fluid that's in there, and take it back to just a normal antifreeze mix with water. So we've taken off a few bits here at the moment. If I just go around, you can just see that the headlight trims are off and the grille is out. I don't know if you can hear over the noise of the engine. She's ticking away there. We've still got the glass out, but we've come across a few problems with the door alignments, and it's been a real problem. We've had lots of scuffs turning up inside here, and we've had a few little bits which seem like even I'm humming and hawing. We've got a few problems there. You can see the trim, there's too much of a bit of paint or filler gone on, and a few other, I don't know if you remember way back, we did take off the paint here and it's still not right. And just on the underside here we got some blemishes as well, and some bits up here. We've also got a problem with this American door. I don't know if you remember in the early days, we got a problem there with it butting up, and the same here. It's just that little bit long. So we have decided to put this back into the body shop, which really does hurt, but I think it would be a better thing to do rather than go this far, as there's so many little bits of the panels that need to be done. It just seems a logical thing to do. So that's where we are. Where are we? We're just at the end of March, March 29th, special day in the UK, with no Brexit in sight. The wife will be happy. Okay, we'll give you another update, maybe when we're stripping it back and sorting out a few bits and pieces. Okay, and I hope your projects are going well. Don't forget to follow us on Mechanic London on Facebook. Thank you very much. See you soon.